Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to erase Gmail emails. First, let's clarify that archiving an email simply removes it from your inbox, while deleting sends it to the trash. A clean inbox offers numerous benefits, including improved focus and faster loading times. We will cover the simple, step-by-step process to ensure your emails are permanently removed, freeing up valuable storage space and decluttering your digital life. This guide will help you manage your inbox efficiently. To begin deleting, simply click the small checkbox located next to any individual email you wish to remove. For multiple messages, check each corresponding box. If you need to clear an entire page, look for the Select All Conversations option at the top, which typically selects 50 emails. Once your selections are made, click the Trash Can icon in the toolbar. This action moves the chosen emails to your trash folder, a crucial first step in the permanent deletion process. After you delete emails, they don't vanish immediately, they are moved to your trash folder. Emails will reside there for 30 days, giving you a window to recover anything accidentally deleted. After this period, Gmail automatically and permanently erases them. However, if you wish to free up space sooner, you can manually empty your trash. Navigate to the trash folder and click Empty Trash Now to permanently remove all its contents with one click, ensuring immediate deletion. For more advanced deletion, leverage Gmail's powerful search operators. For instance, typing has, attachment will show all emails with files, or older than 1 year will display messages over 12 months old, making bulk deletion easier. You can also set up filters to automatically delete certain incoming emails, streamlining your inbox management. Consistent inbox maintenance, perhaps once every 2 weeks, is key to keeping your storage under control and ensuring your email experience remains smooth and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.